Greetings. Today's video looks at the formatting and cleaning up and making your report look nice and tidy. And it shows you how to hide columns and rows and to get the decimal places right and to put borders and lines and how to sum a total. I hope that you enjoy it. It's the last of our little mini series on this report. Today's video, the final one of our little mini series, looking at drill paths and so forth, making this little report, I would like to do a little bit of work on formatting. So what we want to do is that we have saved this drill path, and now we'll go back to design view and we'll look a little bit at formatting. We have a nice, very efficient report, but let's make sure it is exactly like we want it. For example, I think we would like to add some more meaningful column headings than these cryptic dates. And so I'm going to insert a row here. I highlighted it, inserted a row, and let's put up the dates here. We could put 2009, 2008, and 2009. And we want those to be formatted without the columns and without the commas in the decimal places. So I highlighted it, and I'm now going to format the cells. Okay, click that, and we want no decimal places, and we don't want the commas, and we go OK. And I think we'd like to have that centered. So I came up here and clicked the centered, and you can do almost all of the formatting right up here, which would have worked. And so now let's take this row right here. This is very important. We're going to take this row and we're going to hide it. And so we'll format the cells, format the row. Okay, so I highlighted the rows, went to format cells, and went down to the row menu, and I go to hide, and it's gone. Okay, and then we've got this. We want to hide this column, and so we'll format the cells, go to the column row, and go hide. There. Okay, and maybe we want this to be bold, and let's underline it. Okay, I think it'll look tidy if we underlined it. And so we'll get this right like that. And so to do that real slow, let me do that again real slow for you. I came up to this little thing right there, and borders, and just click the bottom. Okay, very similar to what's done in Excel, or at least old Excel. And now we'd like to total this, have a total. And so we'll click this. Okay, just like we do in Excel, and we'll click the little summation button here, pop, and we can put an underline, okay, to show that we're now dealing with the total. It's the borders again, click that, okay, and this is the trick here that David Aka taught me. So we come here. At least in my country, we like to have a double underline, and we click that, and we have the double underline there, but it doesn't quite look right. And so we take this and we pull it up there, and that looks good. And for the sake of demonstration here, we can take this, and let's take the decimal places out. I right-click, okay, right-click, format, cell, and those are numbers, and we want to have no decimal places, and we want commas in there. Okay, so I changed that to 0, and then I came down to 1,000 separators and applied, and I wanted a comma. If you're in a French heritage country, you can have periods as being the 1,000 separators, and the decimal separator can be commas, whichever one you want, but I'm sort of doing it British style with a comma, 1,000 separator, and we're going to apply that, and we go OK. All right, and so I think we're done. Maybe out of memory of my dad always liked a bunch of lines. We could put in a line there, okay, and we'll put in a line here to get it looking good. Okay, it looks pretty good to me, and so let's extract that. And to show you that we've got this drill path, we can extract the drill path, and it's going through the entire drill path now. It takes just a second. And now we've got the report here by department, presidential, Sabbath school. You see the breakout label there. And that is our demonstration for today.